Welcome, let's talk about Tectonic token. Wow, it's amazing to see Tectonic token increasing in price today. Tectonic have already hit over 7.50% increase in price in the past 24 hours. It's amazing because this is 4th January 2023. Remember, it is difficult to see most coin increase early year, especially small cap coin. Now, Tectonic token, I believe this year is going to really increase. It's going to delete a zero. Last year, Tectonic token actually deleted a zero, and we're hoping to see this coin deleting between 1 or 2 zeros. But starting the year, today's 4th with an increase in price today, and I believe it's amazing. Even the market cap of Tectonic token have also increased today. Almost $1 million have been added on Tectonic token. It's amazing to see coin getting more market cap on early year like this, because remember, this is festive period. A lot of people actually spend a lot. So many people are even not trading. Some people are even cashing out because people need money. But when you see some coins getting more market cap, then it's amazing, especially coins like small cap coins. But I believe for Tectonic token with a Kronos chain has been really helping CRO. I also be helping this coin. I'm talking about crypto.com, Kronos chain. They have been supporting this coin so greatly, including VVS Finance. I think we might be seeing Tectonic token increasing massively, just like what CRO, their local coin, did last. That was about the last 2 years. In 2021 November, we saw a pump on CRO from 5 cents to 96 cents within a period of 2 months before dropping. And I believe that with the support Tectonic token will be getting, with the support this coin will be getting in 2023, we might be seeing this coin really increasing in price. I also want to see more exchanges listing Tectonic token this year. If we can get more than 5 top exchanges listing Tectonic token this year, then believe it, the Tectonic token might be deleting 1 or 2 zero. We might be seeing over 5,000 to 10,000 or even 20,000% increase in price. So let's keep hoping to see that Tectonic token has started today with a positive, with an increase of over 7.50%. I hope that continues before the end of the week. Well, 2023 is going to be a better year for crypto industry. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.